The next recipe we're gonna make is from yours and Jamie's cookbook.
That's right.
And it's a creamy custard sauce.
We did this one for you.
Fresh fruit. You did. So if you would separate the eggs for us, and it's an egg separator.
Well, you want to see it in action?
Yes, I love it. All right.
Oh, it's going to take, you got to fill it up, though. It's going to take a few eggs before it starts doing anything.
You can tilt him. Now, I'm going to get started over here on our custard.
We'll get 2 in there.
Okay. Look, there it comes, Bobby. And I'm going to use 2/3 a cup of sugar for our custard. I know, I love it. Do you not love it?
Hey, y'all.
It reminds me of your brother when he was a little boy. He was born with a runny nose.
I think this person has a cold.
I'm gonna
bad cold in there.
Yes. I'm gonna stir in 1½ cups of milk. I'm gonna mix the milk and the sugar together. Bobby's gonna whip up the yolks.
I'm gonna let you work on the custard sauce, and I'm gonna go
Okay.
ahead and start cutting some fruit.
This is not gonna take but a second. Our milk and sugar is getting warm, so I'm gonna start just tempering our eggs by adding a little bit of our hot mixture. Move that stuff over here close to me.
Okay.
I like you close to me. This is tempering nicely, Bobby. So that goes back in my pot. And I'll need to cook this for 5 minutes. Aren't those peaches beautiful?
Fresh Georgia peaches.
Yes. I want to pay close attention to my custard. I'm going to stir it constantly until it gets thick because I don't want it to stick. Okay, Bobby, our custard is ready. I'm going to cut off the heat and I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of butter and a little bit of vanilla. I'm going to put like a ½ teaspoon. And we're gonna let that cool. And next week, when Bobby is through filling up that bowl.
Next week, is that what you said?
Yeah, we're gonna have some fruit and custard.
Look at these beautiful blackberries.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Gorgeous, you want one?
Yes, I love blackberries, and I especially love a blackberry and a cobbler. That blackberry is so good and so tart.
Good, so
it's
fresh.
sweet. And listen, Bobby, a while ago, I remembered that I had some cantaloupe in the fridge.
Well, that would sure save me some time.
Yeah, so why don't you throw the cantaloupe in there?
Alrighty. A couple of blueberries in there as well.
Yeah. Here, Bobby, taste this, son. Taste this. It's hot now. It's hot.
Ooh, that's good. Wow, that's great. You know what?
Wow.
Try it like this, though.
What, son? Now, it's hot. It's hot. So we're gonna chill this, Bobby.
That's good.
Ooh.
Sorry, that's good.
Isn't it yummy? All right, I'm gonna just pour a custard through here, Bobby. Oops, excuse me, son. And just strain it, make sure it's free of any lumps. And then we're gonna chill this, and we're gonna enjoy that fruit
I'm looking forward to that.
and that custard. I adore kiwi. You know, and kiwi is so very good for you.
We're eating healthy today.
We are, aren't we?